Ay, parang may bukas dito sa likod.
Meron ba bukas yan?
Yan, hindi para sa collar niya.
Okay.
Okay, Roy. Okay. Yeah! Wait. Relax ka lang, bro. Paano ito?
Sa may paat ata. Yan ang
Sila.
sa likod ang may packet. Oh, baby.
Wow, wait, ah.
Oh, baby.
Relax lang. Yay, Jay.
Oh, wow! Wow! My God, sabi siguro nila, what are they doing to me? Oh my goodness.
Nakukuha mo ba?
Oh, every
Wow!
day. Every day
Wow,
siya
ito
natutroma ng yung kahapon yung snuggie niyang blue.
Even the feet. Ay.
Yay! The fit!
Wow! Holy mackerel!
Holy mackerel, the fit! Oh!
Sit down.
Oh! New ano nga na yan dapat? Warmer. Camouflage warmer. Oh, wow! Kasya ba? Oh, Mamma Mia, ang baby ko. Look at my baby. Look at my baby Barurit. Oh my goodness. Up na baby, up. Up baby, up. Up na be. Tingnan natin yung sa buhok, sa ulo. Stand up na baby. Stand up na. Stand up na baby. Stand up. Ang baby. Ang baby ko. Oy, nawala na ng ulo si Patrick. Nawala na ng ulo. Oh, that is your that is your little tiger. That's Disney little tiger. That's for baby. But my Baruro is my baby. Oh, little tiger. Can I see you now, Bear? Can you stand up? So we can see if it fit. Fit ba, Bear?
Oh, naku, what is this? Oh, my.
What is that?
This is the Baruro.
Ay, it's all right. I'll vacuum.
I will. Come on.
Up na, baby, eh?
Oh, here.
Oh. Oh, my. Come on.
Wow naman.
Wow. Oh, my God. Baka naman malaki. Hindi.
Kasi ang large hanggang dito lang, oh.
Oh, my God. Okay.
Foot. Wow.
Oh, the hood. Let's see. Look at the hood. Oh, my goodness. With the hood. Ang baby. Oh, my baby with a hood. Oh, yeah. So when it rains, pwede ng raincoat yan. Raincoat muna habang hindi pa dumadating ang raincoat na na-order na.
Look at mommy.
Look at mama. Oh, mama. Oh, come on. Call mama, baby. Mama. Ay, sorry. Mama. Oh, ang cute naman niya. Oh, how cute is my baby. How cute. Oh, wow. Wow, ang baby. Oh, yes, of course. Ikaw hindi ka nakikita. Oh, love. Oh, my. Go to Rick. Up. Ay, my. Up. Oh, wow. Up again kay Rick. Oh my, bagong ligo kasi yan eh. Just got his bath. Oh my God. Oh, how nice ang baby. Oh, look at that. Look at my Baru. Oh, wow. Ay, Rick. Up. Oh, wow. Oh, ganaw. Ito Rick. Oh, look at the rubber ducky. Oh, now you're Your ano, baby?
Baruro.
Get your tiger. Little tiger, little tiger, little tiger. Little tiger.
The tiger.
Oh, I cannot see Baro anymore. I'm only Rick lang.
Come here, over here, Baro. Over here.
Over there, over there. Oh.
Baro.
Oh, may Baruro na. Where's it?
Baro, get the tiger.
Get the tiger, baby. Little tiger, little tiger, little tiger.
Is that what you like? Huh?
Oh. Give love to Rick na lang. Oh, love to Rick. Love to Rick. Oh, wow. Love to Rick.
Mabango naman si
Oh,
Baro.
yeah, of course. Naligo lang siya. Oh, how cute, my baby. How cute ang baby ko. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, love, Barurot. Love my Baruro. Look at mama. Oh, look at the mama. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, nagpapalab. Love si Rick. Love si Rick. Oh, love.
Bagong guli.
Of course.
Bagong damit. Oh my goodness, ha?
2 hours ng bath. Oh, can you believe
Ano
that?
gusto nitong batang ire? Ha?
Oh, look at the little tiger. Look at the little tiger. Oh, no more. Ah. Oh.
Ayaw niya pagka hindi niya nakuha ng unang si G.
This is yung bed niya. Dito sa taas, Mama Mary and Jesus.
Ito ng kanya na kanyang katabi sa gabi parati.
Mama Mary and Jesus. Tapos, ito naman yung
You okay, Baro? You like the
pillow.
clothes? Buti yan hindi siya
Oh,
hindi siya
baby.
constricted.
Okay, that's good,
Kasi
baby.
maluwang sa kanya.
You love that, huh? Okay. So you can go out in the rain. Oh, love yan. Oh, giving love to Rick. Thank you, Rick. Thank you for my new present. Rick. I love my new present.
Of course.
Wow.
Of course. You. Ano si Baro? Hindi mo basa-basa maluloko.
There you go, my barurit. Oh.
This another one?
Yeah. Oh, the ducky.
Di ba ito nagtutulog?
Yeah, of course nagtutunog. Baka in-slime niya na sa gitna.
Ano?
Ay, there you go. Yan ang kanyang bone, ang grabing tunog. Oh! Bigay mo ang bone niya, yung red bone.
Oh, this bone! Look at the bone! I got the bone! Look! It's making noise!
Where are you going now, baby?
It's making noise! Baro!
Where are you going now, baby?
Get Oh. Okay.
Wala siya sa mood mag-play. Mamayang gabi na may papaingay.
Tama na, i-off mo na.
Okay.
Pindutin mo yung